Alright, systems of inequality word problems. Remember, systems of inequalities are a set of two or more inequalities that involve the same variables. So again, because we have systems, we're writing two of these inequalities with an x and a y. So we need to define our variables, write our solutions, and then also come up with some write our equations and come up with possible solutions. So reading this example, suppose you buy flour and cornmeal in bulk to make tortillas. Flour costs $1.50 per pound and cornmeal costs $2.50 per pound. If you want to spend less than $25 on flour and cornmeal, but you need at least 6 pounds altogether. So let's define our variables. What are we looking at? We're looking at buying flour and cornmeal. So x can be our flour and y can be our cornmeal. And then we know two things. We know the total price we want to spend less than, and we know the total poundage. So we know that, oh, this is the number of pounds of each. So that means for this inequality, it's just going to be how many pounds we buy of this plus how many pounds we buy of this is 6, and it says at least, so we might want to go back to our chart of inequalities for that one. And then we got to figure out the inequality for the cost. We got 150x, 250y, and 25 is we want to spend less than, so that's just our less than symbol. So now we can come over here and graph these two equations, which we will have to get them in slope-intercept form.